Today we are going to discuss trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angle means the sum of two angles is equal to 90. That means one angle is complementary to the other angle. Suppose if you take two angles, angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees, then angle A is complementary to the angle B. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then one angle is complementary to the other angle. Now, what happens to the trigonometric ratio of the complementary angles that we will study? Suppose you take one right angle triangle A, B, C. Here it is a right angle. Now this is, we are naming it as A only. Here it is naming it as C only. Now I am writing sine A. We already discussed it. Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. A is here, so opposite side is BC. By hypotenuse is AC. Sine A is BC by AC. Now cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Tan A. Opposite side by adjacent side. BC by AB. Now cosecant A. Cosecant A is reciprocal to the sine A. That means hypotenuse by opposite side. AC by BC. Secant A. AC by AB. Reciprocal of cos. Cot A. Cot A. AB by BC. Now we are going to discuss reciprocal of this angle A. Reciprocal of the angle A means what? Here it is 90 degrees. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That we know. This 90, if you subtract remaining A plus C is equal to 90. Okay, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle C is complementary to the angle A. That's what we told. Angle C is complementary to the angle A. Now, what happens to the trigonometric ratio of this complementary angle? That means, instead of writing angle C here, what we can write? 90 minus A. This is called 90 minus A. Because it is A plus C is equal to 90, so C is equal to 90 minus A. Now, sine 90 minus A. That means this angle. Sine 90 minus A. We are considering this angle means opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Sine 90 minus A. AB by AC. But what is AB by AC? Cos A. That means sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. These are identities like that. We have to remember in exam, whenever it is required, we have to use same identity like this. Sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A, like that we have to use. This is the method to prove sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A like this. Because it is complementary. A is complementary to C. Similarly, cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A. 90 minus A is this angle. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. So BC is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse. But BC by AC is what? Sin A. So cos 90 minus A is sin A. This is one more complementary angle identity. Cos 90 minus A is sin A. Similarly, tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A. Opposite side by adjacent side. AB by BC. AB by BC. What is AB by BC? Cot A. So tan 90 minus A is cot A. Similarly, cosecant 90 minus A. Cosecant 90 minus A. Cosecant means opposite to the sine. That means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cosecant means opposite to sine. Hypotenuse by opposite side. AC by AB. 90 minus we are taking AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB is secant. Secant A. So cosecant 90 minus A is secant A. So similarly, secant 90 minus A, we can prove like that only. Secant 90 minus A is cosecant A. Cot 90 minus A is tan A. Like that we have to prove. These are all complementary angles. So sin 90 minus A, cos A. If you are using theta, we can use sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, cot 90 minus theta, cot theta. These are all called trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This we will use in solving problems future.